Let's make magic.
Obama, yeah, me. I get paid, you gang me.
Precious.
Yes, that's back. My dad is back.
Precious.
Yes, daddy. Oh my God.
Looking to jail like any problem? They're not together. What is the problem?
There's no problem, daddy.
Okay, go and get my key. Go and get my key. I want to go to a meeting.
Okay.
I go and get my key.
Okay, what will I do now? Oh, Jesus.
I will keep too long not to bring the key.
Daddy, it's okay. Daddy, I'm gonna eat now.
No, I don't want to eat. I'm already rich now.
Daddy, how about your clothes?
No, I'm okay like this now. Why are you? Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem.
Allow me to go to the meeting. I don't want when I come back.
Okay.
When I come back here.
Daddy, you have to go and eat.
I don't want to eat. Must I eat?
Oh my God.
Why are you doing that? Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem.
You don't want me to go again?
No, Daddy.
You better behave yourself. Now I'm coming back. Is there any problem?
There's no problem.
And then allow me to go to the meeting now.
Okay.
When I come back, I will eat.
No problem.
Do you hear me?
Yes, please.
Okay. But when I come back, I will eat, yeah?
Okay.
Jesus Christ, how do you manage to enter this motor?
They cannot deploy the key.
Do waiting. So you're the chief that took my money I kept in that boot? Okay, finally, which I reported the case is already recorded in the station. Okay, can you see how the whole thing happened? In fact, I'll call the video. Hello? Shh. Hello? Okay. This is Mike. Inspector, I have finally got the thief. I met him in my car. I'm moving to the station direct now.